There are 8 common myths about cryptocurrency that most people believe. Do you believe any of these myths? Cryptocurrencies aren't just for computer geeks and criminals trying to avoid the government. After I bust these myths for you, it will be easier to make informed decisions with sound knowledge. Myth 1. Cryptocurrency is illegal. It depends on the country. It's legal in the United States, but there are other countries, such as Russia, that have deemed it illegal. It's unlikely the legal status will change anytime soon in the United States. It's possible that it will become regulated, however. I believe regulation is a good thing. Myth 2. Bitcoin is the only relevant cryptocurrency. There are several other cryptocurrencies. All have their strengths and weaknesses. Bitcoin was released in 2009, it is the oldest and most well-known of the cryptocurrencies. Some other cryptocurrencies that I like are Ether, Chainlink, The Sandbox, Engine Coin, Polygon, Decentraland, Cardano. You can check out these cryptocurrencies in the links below. Myth 3. Only criminals have a use for cryptocurrencies. While cryptocurrencies continue to be used for illegal activity, cash is still king for illegal transactions. There are reputable retailers that accept cryptocurrencies, including Microsoft and Dell. Myth 4. I can get rich with cryptocurrency. The potential for profits does exist. People have gotten wealthy through increases in the value of cryptocurrencies. However, just as many people have lost a tremendous amount of money, too. You are unlikely to retire on your cryptocurrency purchases. Think of investing in cryptocurrency like investing in the stock market. If you're liking the video so far, be sure to hit the like button. Myth 5. The government can shut down cryptocurrencies. The government could make cryptocurrencies illegal, but shutting down the system would be next to impossible. There's no central server or location that houses a cryptocurrency system. The information is stored on the computers of every user. Unless the government can find a way to shut down the internet, it would be challenging to put an end to cryptocurrencies. Myth 6. It's easy to mine cryptocurrencies and make money. Entire companies have been built for the sole purpose of mining cryptocurrencies. It requires a tremendous amount of computer hardware and electricity to be successful. Unless you have several hundreds of thousands of dollars, you can't even begin to compete. Myth 7. This one concerns a lot of people. Cryptocurrencies are subject to hacking. Bitcoin merchants and wallets have been subject to hacking activities. However, Bitcoin itself has never been hacked. Other cryptocurrencies have similar security profiles. Insufficient security is always a potential problem with any asset. Cryptocurrencies are no exception. Protect your wallet and you should be fine. Myth 8. It's impossible to trace cryptocurrency transactions. It's not easy, but it can be done. Regarding Bitcoin, the blockchain ledger lists all the transactions that have ever occurred with Bitcoins. The challenging part is linking the wallet address with the owner. With enough time and effort, the government can eventually track you down. The government has seized and auctioned off millions of dollars worth of Bitcoins. So have you been guilty of believing these myths? It's easy to be led astray. Cryptocurrencies still aren't very common, and myths are easily formed and spread. You should become more knowledgeable about cryptocurrencies. They might just be the wave of the future. They're certainly becoming more popular each year. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and watch this video next.